Incentivize multi-step lesson plans by using something similar to this dragon to the top game. Each time the class achieves a goal or step in a lesson plan process, the dragon moves higher and higher. I'll show you how to do it in Canva. Pick your background. You can choose anything you want. I chose a sunset sky, and then choose your dragon. I like the silhouette black one. There are many to choose from. Then you need to choose your dragon tower. I didn't like anything in elements, so I went to apps and then magic media and put in a dragon tower with a transparent background. And here's what it gave me. It wasn't quite what I wanted, so I went ahead and generated again, and it gave me the tower that I ended up choosing for my slides. I didn't get a transparent background like I asked for, so I had to use the remove background option. Then you go to the last shot where they have achieved their end goal. And again, I generated an image using magic media. You want an image with a huge payoff. My two towers don't even match, but because I cropped the last one to show the dragon close up, it doesn't matter. Then on the first slide, you duplicate the dragons to match the number of steps you want, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Space them out so they're headed to the top of the tower. It's okay if they overlap. Duplicate that slide 5 more times so you have a total of 6. Then you start with the first or last slide. I started with the last slide before the dragon makes it to the top, deleting dragons 1 through 5. I went to the next slide and deleted all the dragons except the fourth one, and just started deleting every subsequent dragon on each slide until you get them all consistent one slide to the next. You don't have to do any transitions or anything just now. Present, and you will manually move to the next slide when the class has achieved their goal. They might just do anything to get that dragon to the top.